is lit out. Let's check out the pho here. It's open. It's open pretty late, but we'll see. They also accept all credit card bills, which is really nice. And the business hours are Monday through Thursday. Technique on the sauce here is like he uses the swirl, and then he puts the oily chili oil in first. Yeah, more oil for me. More mass oil. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Good stuff. Yeah. Alright, then comes the soy sauce. And then, last but not least, the sriracha. Look at that. Oh, look at this guy. That technique. More sriracha for me. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Good stuff. He made a face. Look at that. It's got two eyes, a nose, and a mouth. Looks like a gorilla. Or, oh, you messed up the face.
Sorry.
Well, you made a face though.
Yeah,
You're right, right? That was good. It's funny.
That.
It's crazy. Should take a picture of that. Alright, so let's go try it out by drinking the soup first. Take a spoon. Let's try a little bit of it out. Not bad. It's pretty salty. This is a medium-sized bowl. Let's try some of the noodles out. Not bad. Try a piece of the meat. Pretty good. And the some of the brisket comes to fall apart. It's pretty good.
Oh, hey, when my phone acts stupidly.
They're a pretty good flavor restaurant. Oh yeah. This one's pretty good. Definitely come back here again. Fair price, fair value.
Think so?
Yeah, I think so. And everyone in the audience will know so. Fair value. I mean, usually when I come to Stockton, if I want the best quality, I'll probably go to Pho Mama's. If I want the most noodles, I'll go to Pho Lucky. If I want, I guess, pretty decent and pretty good tasting, not bad, you know what I mean? Pretty decent tasting, I'll say fair. Pho Saigon, it's pretty good. You know what I mean? Can't really lose. They give you a decent sized portion. And it's a pretty popular spot. It's pretty packed over here. They couldn't even give us a booth for 2 people. They give us this little tiny table, so you can tell that's kind of popular. And then wait for the end for my review on this dessert. We'll do that later. The dessert, it's got yellow, red, and green. And it's covered in ice on top. Condensed milk. So you just pretty much mix it all together. Pretty good. Not bad. I have to say it's not the best Nutella dessert I've ever had. You know what? Actually, It's just tastes just pretty much like Jello. I would say it's probably near the bottom tier. Not that great, but you know, it's pretty good. I would not order this ever again. This is probably the bottom 10 of everything. What you call it? 3 color desserts. I guess it's still sweet, but you know what I mean. It's missing some flavor that I'm used to on 3 color desserts. I think it's a mung bean flavor, maybe. Because right now all they have is just Jello and yellow bean. Okay. If you haven't already, smash that like button and subscribe.